Come on, Mom. When you try business, yeah, and then you fail, don't stop. Even if you fail 7 times, keep going.
Oh, it's that me espresso. Just in the car. I've got into like actually putting more colour on my lips recently. Just because, I mean, I used to be a matte girly. I'd always put like a matte and I'd always put a nude. And if I put a gloss, it would be like a no colour gloss. But I honestly feel like these days, especially where I do like such minimal eye makeup, to have the lips pop, I mean, it just does a little thing. The lip pencil is by Huda Beauty and it is called Deep Rose. I mean, absolutely love it. And then the lips, on the lips I've got Burt's Bees. Now, hear me out. It's a tinted lip balm in rose, and honestly, just that tinted balm, guys, makes the world of difference. Mom, can you tell us what you're doing there?
I'm cooking and I'm cutting carrots at the moment.
Wow.
To add it to the sauce.
Mom's making that good. We got some beans stew, we got some rice.
That's kidney beans.
So I came over to my sister's to do some filming, to do some work, and my mum's cooking.
Yeah.
I mean, this is my YouTube vlog player. Get to know, babes. Hi vlog. What have you got to say to the people of YouTube?
I've got to say welcome to the madness.
And today is your day as well, isn't it?
I know, Tuesday. Abana, see, it's my day. My mum's making me food. What's that, Fleur? Fleur's got something for me here, little treat. Protein cake. Wow.
My petty protein cake that I don't like.
When you come to your sister's house, you just get treated like a queen. This is why everyone should get an older sister.
Let's go.
Obviously, now you're an entrepreneur as of 2024. So what tips do you have? You've got to give one tip. What tip would you give people who want to start in business?
Don't think you know everything.
Exactly.
And why do you say that?
Because I think if you're too stuck in your ways and you don't learn from others who have gone before you or people that are more successful than you, then most of the time you won't really progress. And you need to be able to learn from others around you and, you know, gain the knowledge and the tools that you need to go far. So yeah, soak everything up, be a sponge, ask questions, and don't be afraid to say, I don't know.
Excellent.
Business advice for the people on YouTube?
About what?
Business advice, what would you give them?
Yeah, Mum, what business advice would you give them?
You can send emails now, so go on.
You do Avon. Other people.
Come on, Mum.
When you try business, yeah, and then you fail, don't stop. Even if you fail 7 times, keep going. Keep going. Even 7 times you fail, never give up. Just keep going. And then find people that they are the same, they got the same vision as you.
Wow. Mum, where did this advice come from?
Yeah, with people like that will help you to establish your business in the next level.
Mum, you've never given me that advice.
Yeah, now you never asked me for advice.
Now you give it to me. Well, I've already made my friends now.
Yeah.
It's too late.
Do you know
It's
what,
not too
Kev?
late.
The mistake you made is you didn't say for YouTube.
Exactly.
Yeah,
So you
I should have specified and said, Mum, what advice do you have for YouTube? 4:43 and it's so hard to go to the gym when the weather is cold, when it's dark, because you feel like, you know, your whole day's gone. But choose your habit, not your mood. I think that's the quote. So yeah, we're going in. I've got this new app my friend recommended to me. Big up Aunt Troll. The app is called Evolve You, and it basically is a really easy app where you can just follow what the woman does, basically. So I'm not an expert in the gym. I just follow the exercises on there. It makes it super easy. I actually used that app last year and I was snatched in Jamaica, so that's where I'm trying to get again. Morning. It's a Wednesday today. I am drinking my morning smoothie. My fiance makes me a morning smoothie every morning. Bless him, because health is wealth, guys. We've got in here like blueberries, bananas, my homemade cashew milk, creamy. We've got sea moss in here, and we've got like one of those super green powders in here, so it's got like all of the vitamins, you know, every vitamin under the sun. So I'll have this. I'll have like a matcha latte or a latte, and then literally I'm not hungry until lunchtime. So today is a really admin heavy day. We're doing a pop-up in John Lewis with Cold Kitchen, so I've got that to sort out. Also need to sort out some deliveries that are going out with No Not Co. So I'm going to the warehouse today, so I'm going to show you around the warehouse. I've actually never done a warehouse tour. I think because when I first got my warehouse, I was in the thick of a massive order. So it was just a bit of a joke, really. By the time I'd finished that order, my office, it's so funny because I was decorating while the order came in, and I had like half a carpet in the office because I hadn't had time. It's like I was decorating and then boom, like this order just came in. Say hi to YouTube. Unfortunately, I have to leave Jaxie and Lexa at home. Say hello. Say hello to YouTube. Say hello, YouTube. My name is Jax. How are you? Yes, I'm going to the... I won't be long. I won't be long. I'll only be an hour. I'll only be an hour. I'm at the office. As you can see, I've got my coat on because it's absolutely freezing. The warehouse looks like. It's got an upstairs and it's got downstairs. So downstairs we use for fulfilling like retailer orders. So as you can see, this is an order that's going out next week. These have just been boxed and they've been separated to go into these boxes. It's like a flow chart. So like you can see there's a line here. This area here is where we import and export deliveries. Once they're sorted, then they go onto these sections here. So they go onto the pallets. They're there because they're waiting to be packaged up now, or any excess stock will go upstairs into storage. This section here is where they get packed. We've got like the boxes here. In the section over here, they get boxed. So this is why you can see all these boxes over here. And then they get put into bigger boxes. These are the bigger boxes that they go onto. And then they'll be put onto pallets. And then those pallets go here. And then we take those out when they're ready to be picked up. So we've got a whole system going on here. Then this is our kitchen. There's really not much going on in the kitchen. Now the toilet is actually my favorite room in the office, I think, because when I came here, it was like a disgusting color. It was like cream on the wall, like creamy, disgusting yellow. And then it was like cobalt blue. I really took the time. I painted this myself, the sharp lines, I did with sellotape. And then we have my office, like my little inspiration things here. Actually was my first ever receipt for my first UK retailer. And then I have my level 2 certificate in understanding retail operations. And here I am, understanding them. So this is my double screen situation. I've got my niece on one side and my boo on the other. Just got a massive delivery come through. Honestly, if you told me that I'd be a pallet truck whiz about 4 years ago, I'd be like, excuse me, sorry, what? And yet here I am, my friends. Here I am. Lovely. So now my deliveries are all here. Right, guys, it is Thursday. And we are sorting out these boxes that came the other day. God. We have Jelly. We have Ellie. Ella. And yeah, we're just getting through this order, really. Here it is. Our favourite product from No Not Co.
I think the shampoo one. There you go, ta-da!
Why is that your favourite?
Yeah, you just have to be in your shower. Your hair is wet, then just keep scrubbing and go under your scalp.
Scalp health.
Yeah.
A young buck, you're 17. How are you finding, this is your first job?
Yeah, it is actually.
And how's your first job going?
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, I enjoy it.
She says, dropping things on the floor. And what advice would you give a young buck trying to get her first job?
I would say go to the gym and get lower back strength because you're gonna need it.
Well, I can. I don't have them short people problems. Go to a life.
You want to discriminate. You shouldn't discriminate against short people, Ella.
Yes.
Not you, Ella.
Yeah, Ella, yeah.
I'm having one of those days, guys. Oh, it's that me espresso.
Espresso.
Wow. Cute.
Okay, Jelly, what are you up to there?
Labelling boxes.
And why are you labelling boxes?
So the retailers can scan and see what SKU they're in.
Woo!
Thank you guys so much for watching. We love you.
Have a nice day. Bye.
Happy Saturday. Me and Connor are off to the gym. Stick to your plan, not your mood. I did not
You
want
were
to.
just saying you didn't want to go gym, mate. What are you talking about?
Yeah, exactly. That's what
Yeah,
I'm
you
saying.
are. Yeah.
That's what I'm preaching to the people.
And who forced you, mate?
Stick to the plan,
Me. Mood.
not your mood.
Me.
The plan is the gym. Yes, I didn't want to go. That is correct. But I'm going, aren't I? Because I decided to stick to the plan. Today in the gym, I'm going to do stair stepper. Obviously, that is a favourite of mine. Last year, I got really into the stair stepper. I'd do an hour. People would come and say to me, how the hell did you do an hour? I became
Who said that?
a legend. 2 people.
Oh yeah.
2 people.
Alright.
I became a legend in the gym for being a stair stepper master. Since I've come back, I've only been able to do maximum 30 minutes.
So we are at Soho House and we're about to have our first PR meeting. It is.
Wow.
And we didn't start small for the first one. We're meeting the director of Cosmopolitan magazine.
Yeah.
Still, are you feeling nervous?
No, I'm excited.
I'm excited too.
Yeah.
I'm excited to see what she thinks of the brand. She's been supporting it from afar anyway. So I can't wait to let her know all about the Curl Kitchen. And yeah.
Yeah. Let's do it.
It is Sunday. I am just chilling and I just had some family round for a roast dinner. And I'm feeling quite tired because I just gave blood today for the very first time. So I gave half a pint of blood, which was, I mean, it was so simple. It was so easy. I don't know why more people don't do it. But I am feeling a bit tired today. So I'm going to send off this week. Over and out, amigos. And I hope you have a lovely week ahead and hope you enjoyed my vlog.